The JUSUOX Tire Inflator is remarkably fast, inflating a standard car tire in just 1 minute, making it an excellent tool for those needing quick and efficient tire maintenance. Its cordless design provides incredible convenience, allowing you to inflate tires anywhere without being tethered to a power source, while also offering a reliable 12-volt DC power option for versatility. The dual LCD screens on this air compressor offer precise pressure readings, ensuring you can easily achieve and monitor the perfect tire pressure for a safe and smooth drive. With intelligent modes and an automatic stop feature, this inflator simplifies the process by stopping inflation when the desired pressure is reached, preventing overinflation and ensuring safety. Beyond inflating tires, this compact device includes a built-in LED flashlight with strobe mode, making it a versatile tool for emergencies or outdoor activities in low-light conditions. Its lightweight and portable design allows for easy storage and transport, fitting comfortably in a glove box or backpack, ensuring you are prepared for any tire-related situation.